Good morning to all my awesome friends and family. You know what time it is? It's shopping time. I went over to my favorite store today, HomeGood. And look at this beautiful, beautiful teapot. This teapot, $14.99. Isn't it beautiful? I just loved it. And it's a shabby chic. And I wanted to get something that was sort of glamorous because I really don't have any glamorous pieces, or very little. And here I was actually able to get the sugar bowl, and this was $5.99. Isn't it beautiful? Just love it. And was able to get the creamer for $5.99 too. So that brings this wonderful set to be like 12, so about $30. And I thought it looked pretty nice for $30. What do you think? Like I said, I'm trying my best to get a few nice pieces before I stop working. So I figured this is one style I really didn't have much of, something glamorous, shabby chic, or whatever you want to call it. This is beautiful gold trim, and I just love it. Now let's see what else Grandma got. Oh, I forgot to show you how beautiful the bottom of these pieces are. Look at the gold trim at the bottom, and here on this piece right here. Isn't it beautiful? And we're going to see the other pieces I got. Well, I was real happy with what I found. I got, you know, I do tablescapes for two, so I thought this would be great. And love how it's all finished off. Isn't it beautiful? Now this is the tea cup. It is just gorgeous. I love it. And then the beautiful plates also. The plate was $5.99, so it was a little more than I usually spend, but it was very pretty. So that was $12 for the pair of them. The cups were $7.99, a little more than I normally also spend. So that was $16 for the pair of cups. But they all match and they're perfect, and I do have a touch of glam now. And that makes me so happy because I really don't have that many glamorous pieces. And like I said, look at the finish on how pretty everything is on this set. And the way the cups are finished off at the bottom. Are not they the most beautiful things you've ever seen? And on top of that, I found a beautiful vase, and that was $7.99. So it was a little more than I wanted to spend, but something glamorous finally in my inventory. I have very little glamorous pieces, so any chance I get something that really is outstanding, I can't wait to use it. And I can put a beautiful flower arrangement in this vase. Isn't it beautiful? And the vase was from India, and these white and gold pieces of china were from China. And I did get a few more pieces to keep on this glamorous theme. I got these beautiful salad plates or soup bowls, whatever you want to call them, for $2.99, and I thought they were really nice. The gold matched perfectly, and it looks so high-end. What do you think? I was very happy with how it looked. And let's see what else Grandma got. Now this could be a little dessert bowl that you could set on the table, And doesn't it look beautiful? It matches the super salad bowl perfectly, except it doesn't have the gold on the edge. And you can put it just like that, and you have your dessert dish. You could have your pudding, fruit, cups, or anything you wanted. But doesn't it look beautiful together? I thought it was gorgeous. A beautiful display for two. Let me know what you thought. What was your favorite piece that I purchased? And does it look high-end? I hope so. That was the whole point of buying this. I wanted something that looked glamorous and high-end for a change on my channel. I am not going to have any extra money after May, so I wanted to get at least one high-end set to use for those glamorous tablescapes that people do all the time. Thank you so much. This was all from my favorite store. You know which one it is, HomeGoods. So if you like high-end pieces, go over to HomeGoods. It's your favorite store to find beautiful display pieces. Aren't they beautiful? I just love it. Now these ones here were from Turkey, and they're food safe and hand decorated glass. Beautiful, just beautiful. What do you think? Let me know in the comment section which was your favorite piece, and did you like the set I got? Well, I'll see you in the next video. We're going to do a Mother's Day display tomorrow with these beautiful pieces. Please come back and check it out. Hugs and kisses from Grandma Sandy, and don't forget, if you're not already following this channel, please think about it. We would love to have you as a friend, and please give us a thumbs up. Thank you so much. Hugs and kisses to all my awesome friends.